Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate graphic design with Canva detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Canva account or creating a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Select the type of design you want to create by using the search bar or scrolling through the available categories. After choosing a template, click on it to open the design editor. Customize the template by clicking on elements you wish to change, such as text, images, or colors. Use the toolbar on the left to access various design elements, including photos, icons, and charts. To automate your graphic design, consider using Canva's magic resize feature to adapt your design for different platforms. Select the resize option from the toolbar, then choose the desired dimensions. Canva will automatically adjust your design elements to fit the new size. Next, explore the brand kit feature if you're working on multiple designs for a brand. Upload your brand colors, logos, and custom fonts to maintain consistency across all your designs. To save time, utilize Canva's templates section to create reusable designs. Design a template that can be easily modified for future projects. Once your template is ready, save it for quick access in your dashboard. You can also use Canva's content planner to schedule your designs for social media posts. Access the content planner from the sidebar menu and connect your social media accounts. Select your design and choose the date and time for posting. Canva will automatically publish your design to the selected platform at the scheduled time. Finally, consider integrating Canva with other tools like Google Drive or Dropbox for seamless collaboration. Connect your accounts through the Apps section in Canva to streamline your workflow. With these steps, you can efficiently automate your graphic design process using Canva. Experiment with these features to enhance your design experience further. Remember to keep your designs organized and consistent for the best results. This approach not only saves time but also maintains high-quality output for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.